Alright, friends. This is the story number 6, the Pluto and the Persephone. Let's continue our story. Okay. We have done that. We have read about the story that there is a character of goddess of crops. Her name was Kreese, and she has a daughter. Her name is Persephone. Persephone is the daughter of Kreese, the goddess of crops. And there is a character of Pluto. Pluto is the god of the kingdom of death. He lives alone because no one wants to live with him, and this thing made him more sadder and lonelier. And he wants to try, uh, he wants to convince everyone, every goddess or nymph to live with him, but no one agree to live with him because no one wants to live the bright, sunny earth behind her. That's why Pluto lives alone. Okay, now let's continue the story. Pluto drives away. As he spoke, Pluto felt very sad. He knew that Persephone would never agree to go with him. He had to make her go. He held her arms more tightly. Okay, यहाँ तक हमने डिस्कस किया था कि Persephone was playing with the nymphs, and suddenly the ground shook, and the dark clouds of black smokes came out from the hole. A hole appeared in the ground, and the black clouds of smoke appeared from the hole. And with a great flash of lightning and the great crash of thunder, Pluto's dark chariot appeared. Pluto की chariot appeared हुई थी. Chariot means घोड़ा गाड़ी जिसे हम कह सकते हैं, रथ कह सकते हैं, ठीक है. And all the nymphs were very frightened. They ran away. But Persephone wanted to run also, but Pluto held her arms, and Pluto offered her to be the queen. Okay, wait. Okay. So as he spoke, he said he will give all the jewels, gold and jewels to the Persephone, but she refused. And when he spoke, he knew that Persephone would not agree, never agree to go with him, क्योंकि कोई भी नहीं चाहता था कि वो ज़मीन को छोड़कर इतनी ब्राइट शाइनी अर्थ को छोड़कर अंडर द अर्थ जाके किंगडम ऑफ डेथ में जाके रहे. So no one wants to live with him, and he knew that. So he had to make her go. उसको प्लाज्मी अपने साथ लेके जाना था. He held her arms more tightly. Tightly means firmly, सख्ती से. Okay. Okay, as you can see in the picture, there is a chariot. This is called the chariot, and this is the Pluto and the Persephone. Okay. The nymphs had run away. They were too frightened to help Persephone. The nymphs that they were playing with the Persephone, they were too frightened to help the Persephone, and they ran away. They hid in the woods and the stream. वो भाग गए. सारे जितने भी nymphs थे वो इतने ज़्यादा खौफज़दा थे, frightened, afraid थे, कि वो सारे जाकर छुप गए. Woods और streams में जाकर, नदी में छुप गए, जाकर दरख्तों में छुप गए, इस तरह छुप गए. Pluto picked Persephone up in his arms and lifted her into the chariot. प्लूटो ने परसिफोन को उठाया और उसको अपनी चैरेट में रख दिया. He had to get away at once. He did not want Kreese to see him. He shook the reins and shouted his horse. The chariot went very fast. Persephone shut her eyes and held on the sides of the chariot. Okay, because he did not want टू क्रीज टू सी हिम. वो नहीं चाहता था कि क्रीज उसे देखे कि वो परसिफोन को अपने साथ लेके जा रहा है. दैट्स वाई ही वॉज इन वेरी हरी, and he just picked the Persephone and put her into the chariot, and he shook the reins and shouted his horse. उसने अपनी जो घोड़े की लगामें थी, reins थी, उनको हिलाया और shouted at his horse to run. The chariot went very fast. Chariot बहुत तेजी से भागी. Persephone shut her eyes because chariot was going very fast. So she shut her eyes and held on the sides of the chariot. उसने इतनी तेजी से chariot जा रही थी कि उसने उसकी साइड से पकड़ लिया. Pluto reached the river. He got ready to drive his horses through the water, but the nymphs of the river saw Persephone. वो रिवर पे पहुंचा और वो ड्राइव करने ही वाला था वाटर में से. he got ready to drive his horses through the water, but the nymphs of the river saw the Persephone. लेकिन जो वाटर के जो nymphs थे, they saw the Persephone and she made the river water rise up. Great waves appeared and Pluto's horses was afraid. The nymph of the water wanted to help Persephone. She made the river water rise up. उसने क्या किया कि दरिया का पानी ऊपर को उठाना शुरू कर दिया, because she was the nymph of the river. उसके order को follow करता था water, इसलिए. Great waves appeared. Appeared means to become visible, and Pluto's horses were afraid. प्लूटो के हॉर्सेस डर गए क्योंकि पानी की लहरें इतनी ऊंची थी जिससे प्लूटो के हॉर्सेस डर गए. प्लूटो सॉ दैट एंड दे कुड नॉट गेट दैट वे. प्लूटो ने देखा कि वो अब इस रास्ते से नहीं जा सकता. बट ही कुड नॉट टर्न बैक आइदर. लेकिन वो वापस भी नहीं जा सकता था, बिकॉज अगर वो वापस जाता सो देयर मे बी अ पॉसिबिलिटी दैट क्रेज came to know about this, and he did not want to know that. That's why he could not turn back either. There was no time to lose. उसके पास टाइम भी नहीं था कि वो वेट करता. He shouted up and pointed at the ground. उसने क्या shout किया? Up, open. He shouted open and pointed at the ground. उसने ground की तरफ point करके इशारा करके shout किया open. At once great hole appeared in front of him. उसके सामने एक hole appear हुआ. Horses and chariot dived down into the darkness. Horses और chariot दोनों darkness में dive कर गए, यानी कि they jumped into the darkness. Pluto was returning to his kingdom. Pluto अपने kingdom में वापस जा रहा था. क्या हुआ कि Pluto tried. He kidnapped the Persephone and he tried to go through the water, but the nymphs of the water helped the Persephone, and he shouted open and pointed at the ground. उसने क्या किया कि क्योंकि उसके पास कोई रास्ता नहीं था, तो उसने ग्राउंड की तरफ पॉइंट आउट करके इशारा किया कि ग्राउंड ओपन हो जाए, और वो ग्राउंड में होल में जिस तरह होल से जमीन से वापस आया, जमीन से निकला था, उसी तरह वापस जमीन में चला गया परसेफोन के साथ. प्लूटो वॉज रिटर्निंग टू हिज किंगडम. अपने किंगडम में वापस जा रहा था. कौन सा किंगडम था उसका? किंगडम ऑफ डेथ. ही बिलोंग्स टू किंगडम ऑफ डेथ. The lost belt. Next paragraph is the lost belt. Persephone saw the nymphs of the river. She knew that nymphs was trying to help her. Tell my mother, Persephone cried. She took off her belt and threw it into the water. When Persephone saw the nymph of the river, she knew that the nymph was trying to help her, because nymphs made the water rose up. That's why she knew that the nymphs of the water trying to help her. Better turn off your video camera. Taha, I will remove you from the class. और ये दूसरा कौन है? क्यों आप लोग इतने सारे स्टूडेंट्स के सामने ये बार बार सुनना चाहते हैं कि आप लोग कैमरा ऑफ करें? आप लोग ओबीडियंट नहीं है. डिसओबीडियंट बिहेवियर क्यों है आप लोगों का इतने सारे स्टूडेंट्स के सामने? Okay, so she took off her belt and threw it in the water, and she asked to help the nymph. Pluto put his big hand over Persephone's mouth क्योंकि उसने हेल्प मांग रही थी Persephone. So Pluto put his hand over Persephone's mouth. Quiet, he ordered. Quiet means यहाँ पे खामोश है. Quiet, खामोश. He ordered. The ground closed over their heads and the chariot drove into the darkness of Pluto's kingdom. जब वो ग्राउंड में पहुंचे मतलब उस होल में एंटर हुए तो ग्राउंड क्लोज ओवर देयर हेड्स यानी कि जमीन उनके सर के ऊपर से बराबर हो गई वापस वो होल बंद हो गया एंड दे ड्रोव इनटू द डार्कनेस ऑफ प्लूटोस किंगडम वो प्लूटो के किंगडम की तरफ रवाना हो गए दैट इवनिंग क्रीस केम होम Persephone usually ran to greet her. Greet means to welcome. When Chris reached home, Persephone, it was her way to welcome her. कि Persephone उसको warmly welcome कहती थी जब भी क्रिस घर आती थी वापस. This time, however, everything was quiet. लेकिन इस टाइम क्या था कि everything was quiet. There was no voice of Persephone. She's hiding somewhere, thought Chris. Chris ने क्या सोचा कि वो कहीं पे छुपी हुई है. She will jump out in a moment and surprise me. Chris thought that she was hiding somewhere and she was trying to surprise her. I'm coming to find you. She called aloud. उसने क्या कहा कि मैं तुम्हें ढूंढने आ रही हूँ जोर. There was no answer. Chris looked all over the house. It was empty. Empty means vacant, खाली. Then Chris became frightened. Frightened, fearful. She lit a torch and went out to look for Persephone. She looked for her all night. When the morning came, she still had not found her lovely daughter. Okay. Persephone, Chris tried to find her daughter everywhere. Firstly, she thought that she is hiding somewhere, but she couldn't find her, and she was very scared. She lit a torch and went to look for Persephone. पूरी रात वो Persephone को ढूंढती रही लेकिन उसको Persephone कहीं पे भी नहीं मिली. Greece forgot her duties. She did not listen to the prayers of the people. She spent every minute of every day looking for her lost child. The sun stopped shining and the sky turned dark and cold. The crops stopped growing. The ground was dry and dead. The leaves fell from the trees. People all over the world were hungry. Some died of hunger and some died because they were so cold. Okay, it's the priest's duty to grow crops very well and to listen up the prayers of the people. But when she was very uh, when she was very worried, she forgot her duties because her daughter was lost and she was not able to listen the prayers of the people. उसको सारा टाइम उसका अपनी बेटी को ढूंढने में लग जाता था और लोगों की दुआओं को नहीं सुनती थी. उससे क्या हुआ, द सन स्टॉप शाइनिंग. सन चमकना बंद हो गया एंड द स्काई टर्न डार्क एंड कोल्ड. बिफोर दैट देयर वाज all the seasons were same before all these things. It was never really cold and trees never fell from the trees. Leaves never fell from the trees. लेकिन अब क्या हुआ कि सन ने शाइन करना बंद कर दिया. अर्थ became cold and dark and the crops stopped growing. The leaves fell from the trees. दरख्तों से पत्ते भी झड़ना शुरू हो गए. ठंड भी पड़ना शुरू हो गई. अंधेरा भी हो गया because trees was not listening the prayers of the people and she was not able to perform her duties. And all over the world, people were dying. They were dying because of hunger and they were dying because of the cold. क्योंकि भूख बहुत ज़्यादा थी, इनकी क्रॉप्स नहीं ग्रो कर रही थी तो वो हंगर से मर रहे थे और कुछ सर्दी से मर रहे थे because sun was not shining. The nymph speaks. People prayed to Chris. They begged her to be their friend again. We need you, they said. Come back to us and make our fields green again. Okay, people was very frightened. People was very uh, in they were in danger, and they begged to trees to be their friend again, क्योंकि उनकी फील्ड्स ग्रो नहीं कर रही थी, वो हंगर भूख से मर रहे थे, वो सर्दी से मर रहे थे. Trees heard their prayers, but she shook her head sadly. Trees उनकी prayers सुन रही थी, but she was not able to do anything. She could not think she could not think of anything except expect her lost daughter. Except her lost daughter. Beta, don't turn on your video camera. Don't create disturbance in the class. अच्छा, अब आप लोग ये बात याद रखें कि आप लोग एक एक सेकंड के लिए भी जो वीडियो कैमरास ऑन करें, नेम तो आप लोगों के यहाँ शो हो जाते हैं, रिकॉर्डिंग में भी एज इट इज आ जाते हैं. आप यूट्यूब पे जाकर देखें, आपकी सारी ऐसी रिकॉर्डिंग्स में भी आप लोग ऐसे ही आ रहे होंगे. तो अब मैंने नेम नोट कर लिए. जो जो स्टूडेंट भी इस तरह से वीडियो कैमरा ऑन कर रहे हैं, मैं उनको अलाउ नहीं करूंगी, क्लास में एंटर ही नहीं करूंगी. अभी भी मैं क्लास से रिमूव कर दूंगी और नेक्स्ट किसी भी टाइम के लिए मैं उनको क्लास में एंटर नहीं करूंगी. ठीक है, ओके. शी कुड नॉट थिंक ऑफ एनीथिंग एक्सेप्ट हर लॉस्ट डॉटर. वो कुछ भी नहीं सोच रही थी अपनी लॉस्ट डॉटर के अलावा, अपनी बेटी को ढूंढने के अलावा कुछ भी नहीं सोच रही थी. वो लोगों की प्रेयर्स को सुन रही थी, बट शी वॉज unable to do anything. A few days later, कुछ दिनों के बाद, she was standing sadly by the river when a little wave rose up. It touched her feet. She looked down and saw a belt at her feet. जब वो एक दिन उदास खड़ी हुई थी पानी के पास, रिवर के पास, तो एक वेव आई उसके पास, and it touched her feet and she felt something near her feet. It was the belt of her daughter. Thank you, breathe creased. She picked up the belt. उसने thank you कहा nymph of water को. It was her daughter's belt. She was for sure that. She looked as it with tear in her eyes. वो जानती थी कि ये उसकी बेटी की परसिफोन की बेल्ट है, and she was very sad to saw her belt. Then water began to come up out of the ground in front of her. Chris thought that the sounds of the water was like someone speaking. She listened carefully and heard the words. Okay, फिर क्या हुआ कि पानी नदी में से निकल के उसके पाँव के पास ऐसे आ रहा था जैसे वो उससे कुछ कहना चाह रहा है. So she listened very carefully. And what are the words? What are the water trying to say her? I am the nymph of this fountain. मैं इस fountain का nymph हूँ. I have come up from the center of the earth. मैं earth के center में से आया हूँ. Great Greece. I have seen your daughter. मैंने तुम्हारी बेटी को देखा है. She was sitting on the golden chariot beside the king Pluto. वो king Pluto के साथ बैठी हुई थी उसकी chariot पे. She was wearing many jewels, but her cheeks were thin and white and her eyes were sad. उसने कहा कि उसने बहुत सारे jewels पहने हुए थे, but she was very sad. She became very thin. Her cheeks were white, and she was very weak. Save her, Chris, or she will die. उसको बचा लो या फिर वो मर जाएगी, क्योंकि वो बहुत उदास थी. She was in miserable condition, so save her before she die. Next is Chris goes to Jupiter. Chris thanked the nymphs. She hurried to Mount Olympus, the greatest of all mountains. Where she hurried? To the Mount Olympus. What is the Mount Olympus? Greatest of all mountains. यानी कि the home of the gods. What was the home of the gods? Mount Olympus. Mount Olympus में सारे gods का home था. जितने भी different gods थे, उन सब का घर, उन सब का home कहाँ पे था? Mount Olympus. MCQ's point of view से मैं बता रही हूँ आपको. She asked to speak Jupiter. He was the father and king of all gods. Who was the Jupiter? King of all gods. सारे gods का भी king था, यानी कि god of all gods, सारे बादशाह kings का, सारे gods का भी god था. He was wise and good. He was very intelligent and good. Chris was sure he would help her. वो for sure थी कि Chris के वो Jupiter उनकी help करेगा. ठीक है. Jupiter is the king of was the king of all gods. सारे gods का वो king था. And Mount Olympus is the home of all gods. I know where my daughter is, she told him. She is a prisoner of the gold Pluto in the kingdom of the dead. Okay, Chris told the Jupiter that she knew where her daughter is, and she told the Jupiter that her daughter is the prisoner of gold Pluto in the kingdom of death. Please order Pluto to give her back to me. उसने कहा कि प्लूटो को ऑर्डर करें कि मुझे वापस दे दें. Then earth will be green again and my people will be happy. Obviously, जब उसकी daughter उसके पास होगी तो वो खुश होगी and she will able to listen the prayers of the people and the earth will be green and people will be happy again. Jupiter sat and thought for a moment. Has she eaten anything in Pluto's kingdom? He asked. If she has, she belongs to him. If she has not, I shall be able to save her. Okay. What Pluto said, she said that if she has eaten something from the Pluto's kingdom, she belongs to him. अगर उसने kingdom of death में से कुछ खाया है तो वो अब प्लूटो से ही बिलोंग करेगी, प्लूटो के पास ही रहेगी. और अगर उसने कुछ नहीं खाया तो मैं उसकी हेल्प कर सकता हूँ, तो मैं उसको बचा सकता हूँ. Jupiter sent a messenger to the Pluto and ordered him to come to Mount Olympus. जुपिटर ने एक मैसेंजर भेजा प्लूटो की तरफ और उसे क्या ऑर्डर किया कि माउंट ओलंपस आए. द डार्क गोल्ड अपीयर्ड इन द क्लाउड ऑफ स्मोक. क्लाउड ऑफ स्मोक में डार्क गोल्ड अपीयर हुआ. प्लीज ब्रिंग परसिफोन टू मी. जुपिटर ऑर्डर. जुपिटर ने क्या ऑर्डर किया कि परसिफोन को भी मेरे पास लेकर आओ. आई वॉन्ट, सेड प्लूटो. Jupiter gave him an angry look. Obviously, Jupiter is the king of all gods, and he ordered to the Pluto to bring the Persephone here, and the Pluto refused to do it. So that's why Jupiter gave him an angry look. Get her before I throw lightning at you, he roared. Lightning means a flash of lightning. जो बिजली की चमक होती है उसको लाइटनिंग, जिस तरह आसमान में बिजली लाइटनिंग होती है ना, जब थंडरस्टॉर्म होता है तो लाइटनिंग. That was. He roared. Pluto knew all about Jupiter's lightning. He went to fetch Persephone. He was afraid. He knew what about all this lightning, and she was afraid. And he went to fetch the Persephone. Fetch means to get. Chris cried when she saw how thin and sad her daughter looked. The poor girl held her hand in front of her eyes. The light heard her. Chris ran to greet her, but Jupiter stopped her. Okay, she was living under the earth where there was no light. So when she came into the light hurt her. She put her hand in front of her eyes. बेटा ये ग्रेक्सी ग्रैंड प्राइम प्लस के नाम से जो भी है ये अपने रियल नेम के साथ एंटर हो क्लास में. Okay. Not yet, he said. He turned to Persephone. Dear child, he said, I want to return you to your mother, but I must do what is right for Pluto too. Okay, what Jupiter said? He said, he wants to return to your mother, लेकिन वो ये भी चाहता है कि प्लूटो के साथ कुछ गलत ना हो. That's why he was asking, tell me, did you eat anything at all while you were in the kingdom of death? उसने से पूछा कि जब तुम किंगडम ऑफ डेथ में थी तुमने क्या कुछ खाया, कुछ भी किंगडम ऑफ डेथ में से खाया. ठीक है. Okay, this is all about today's work. We will discuss the story tomorrow. Read the story very carefully and learn the words meaning from your book.